So I got the sewer camera here. I'm going to show what a blockage looks like in your sewer line. So I'm just going to pop them in here. Get them in there. All right, and let's see. Let's go in. Go into the sewer line. Da, 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 da. Here we go. And oh, what the heck? What the heck is that? Yep.
Crazy.
I know. So you can see all the paper in there. It's interesting. So yeah, we're gonna run a cable through that and see what happens. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. See that?
Yeah.
All right, we're in the cable. We cleared the blockage. So now I'm gonna put the camera back in and we'll see what it looks like. Remember, the stoppage was at about 7 feet in. Okay. All right, camera's in. We go in. Looking good so far. Almost to 7 feet. All right, and this is about where the blockage was, at about 7 feet. You can see it was right after this Y coming from the guest bathroom right there on the right. And if we go straight ahead, we'll see right here on the left is the other bathroom where the problem was mostly noticed. And straight ahead is the kitchen, which I could probably get inside here a little bit. Boop. Kitchen should just end at a 90. Yep, there it is. If you found this video interesting, then please remember to like and subscribe. And you should also check out another video on our channel because we have all kinds of interesting plumbing videos like this one. But thanks again for watching and hope to see you again soon. This is Gary with Ultra Plumbing, out.